International Clean Week is great. As a business operator, it's a wonderful way to recognize your essential workers and have like a reason to host celebrations. So what we like to do is at every single facility that we operate at, we have a party, a celebration recognizing our employees. We do social media posts. We do our town halls featured on their stories.
We are so excited to celebrate International Cleaning Week. We have already reached out to Governor Katie Hobbs and asked for the state of Arizona to participate in International Cleaning Week and to bring attention to all the businesses and the individuals who are cleaning in the state of Arizona, in our schools, in our workplaces, and in public spaces where people are working, playing, and living.
The way our company is celebrating International Cleaning Week is with ISSA at the Advocacy in Washington, D.C. And we're privileged to be a lead sponsor supporting this great initiative.
It's a great way for our employees to really understand that not only does their employer value them, but that there's an international community that understands their value and importance. It's also a great way to get our clients involved and understand that, like, oh yeah, these people that some clients interact with on a daily basis and deeply understand and become friends with, but others that might not know who the folks are that are maintaining their buildings. It's a great way for them to engage, to get to understand it, to show their appreciation for the incredibly valuable work that our folks do.